This video podcast is brought to you by McCarter Online.
There are those differences there, because especially in the relationship between Dorn, Ben in our play, and Paula in our play, you would really have a noticeable difference in Tsarist Russia as opposed to the Hamptons. So those are things to kind of overcome, and you can sort of see it in the Chekhov. There's no way those two would get together, and it's this constant pipe dream for Paulina, but they will. It's slightly different in like some of those things are very hard to translate.
I have one difference, which was, I guess, in when it said originally to be Masha at 22 and 24 over the course of the play is kind of like being an old maid a little bit, and to be married and have a child is pretty normal. And translating it to now with my age staying the same, I had to rethink, well, what would make this very young woman give up totally at that point and have a child at 23 or 24. It's really different. And no, really. No, I mean, but and I did come up with answers, but I had to reorient myself with that choice, because it's a vastly different one, and I think works just as well. I think in my head at least, but there's a big difference in translating.
I don't know if this makes me a bad actor. I don't see the difference in this play, to be honest, because it's really the emotional work for my character that is the journey, more than, I mean, I guess if I had different clothes, I maybe behave differently, but that would really be it,
I think one of the differences, especially as a writer, the celebrity of a writer in 1896 is decidedly different from the celebrity of a writer today. I mean, there's the literary types, which I believe that it's meant to be, and there's the mass-produced, straight-to-screen novelists that enjoy different celebrity, which I don't think they had back then. So I think there is a difference there that we were trying to work out the script, but again, I think Wayne's right on the money. It's sort of the emotional work that happens.
In the Russian, I mean, as we all know, the Russians, the passion and all that goes with, they're crying 1 second and the next they're laughing, and to bring into our world, to justify all, the ups and downs is really difficult, and it's really tragic. And hilarious, obviously.
This podcast has been brought to you by McCarter Theater in Princeton, New Jersey. For tickets, call 609-258-ARTS or visit www.mccarter.org.